Have you ever wondered where your photos go when you upload them to Google Photos? Or how Netflix shows start playing in just seconds without downloading anything? It feels like magic, right? But it is not magic. It is cloud computing. Today, I am going to explain what cloud computing is using super simple words, fun real-life examples, and cool facts. Even if you're 10 years old or just new to tech, you will understand everything and have fun doing it. By the end, you will know the 3 types of cloud computing, the future of this amazing technology, and even how much you can earn working in the cloud industry. So let's jump into the cloud and see what all the buzz is about. Alright, so let's answer the big question. What is cloud computing? Let me explain it like a story. Imagine this. You are doing your school project on your home computer, but the next day, your computer crashes. Luckily, you saved your project in Google Drive. So you go to school, open your friend's laptop, log in, and boom, your project is right there. That is cloud computing in action. In simple words, cloud computing means storing and using files, apps, and data on the internet instead of your own device. So instead of saving everything on one computer, you are using super powerful computers from big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft to store and run things online. Think of it like this. Google Photos, your pictures live safely in the cloud, not just on your phone. YouTube, when you upload a video, it's not saved on your device. It goes into the cloud, so anyone in the world can watch it. Netflix, you don't download movies. They stream right from cloud servers. It is just like using electricity at home. You don't build your own power station, right? You just plug in and use it. Same with the cloud. You don't need big computers. You just connect to the internet and use the power of the cloud. Now that we know what cloud computing is, let's talk about the 3 main types of cloud computing. Don't worry, it sounds tricky, but I promise it's super easy to understand. We will explain it using fun real-life examples. Ready? Let's go. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. Let's say you want to build your own video game. But first, you need a powerful computer, storage, internet, and space to run it. You don't want to buy all of that, right? So instead, you rent it from a cloud company like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. They give you the tools and you build what you want. It's like renting Lego bricks. You get the blocks, which is servers and storage, and you build your own castle, that is app or website. You control everything, but you also have to manage it. PaaS, Platform as a Service. Now imagine someone gives you not just Lego blocks, but also pre-built parts, walls, windows, doors, so you can build faster. That's PaaS. Here, you still build your app, but you don't have to worry about setting up the tools or machines. It's like having a kitchen with all the tools ready, oven, fridge, mixer, and you just bake your cake. Examples: Google App Engine, Heroku. It is perfect for developers who want to build apps quickly without doing all the boring setup stuff. SaaS, Software as a Service. This is the easiest one and the one we use every day. With SaaS, everything is already built and ready. You just log in and use it. Examples: Gmail, Google Docs, Zoom, Canva, Spotify. You don't install anything. You don't update anything. You just enjoy the service. It's like ordering food from a restaurant instead of cooking. You sit down and everything is served to you. So remember, IaaS, you rent the tools to build, like Lego blocks. PaaS, you get tools and help to build faster. SaaS, you just use the final product, easy and ready to go. So now you know what cloud computing is and the different types. But you might be thinking, why is everyone talking about the cloud? What makes it so special? Well, here's why cloud computing is super popular today. It saves money. You don't have to buy expensive computers or software. You only pay for what you use, like a water or electricity bill. It is fast and easy. You can launch a new app or website in just minutes. No waiting, no big setup. It works from anywhere. Whether you are on your phone, at school, on a tablet at home, or on a laptop at work, your files and apps are always with you. All you need is internet. It is safe and secure. cloud companies use powerful security to protect your data. It is like putting your files in a digital vault with 24/7 guards. It is always updated. You don't need to worry about software updates or backups. The cloud does it all for you automatically. That's why schools, businesses, hospitals, game developers, even YouTubers are using cloud computing every single day. Now let's look into the future. What's coming next with cloud computing? Spoiler alert, it is going to be bigger, smarter, and everywhere. Let's explore what's ahead. Cloud plus AI. Cloud is helping AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and self-driving cars become smarter every day. Companies are using cloud to train robots, create voice assistants, and even detect diseases early in hospitals. Cloud will be in everything. Smartwatches, smart fridges, smart TVs, even smart farming. Cloud will connect all these devices, helping them talk to each other. It is called the Internet of Things, and it is powered by the cloud. More jobs and work from anywhere. Cloud is creating millions of jobs, many of which can be done from home. You just need a laptop and skills. People can now build apps, manage data, or run online businesses from anywhere in the world. Global growth. According to trusted research by Gartner, spending on cloud services will reach $600 billion by 2027. That's huge. It means more people, more companies, and more countries are moving to the cloud fast. Now you might be wondering, can I build a career in cloud computing? The answer is yes, and it pays really well too. Let's break it down. Top cloud computing jobs you can do. Cloud developer builds apps on the cloud. Cloud architect designs how everything works in the cloud. Cloud security expert protects cloud data from hackers. Cloud engineer manages and maintains cloud systems. DevOps engineer automates cloud tasks for faster delivery. Even non-coders can work in cloud as support specialists, testers, and data managers. Salary expectations. In India, entry-level cloud job goes up to 5 to 8 lakhs per year. Experienced engineers, 50 to 30 lakhs per year. Cloud architects, 40 lakhs per year. In USA, entry-level jobs, $90,000 per year. Architects, $150,000 to $200,000 per year. And the best part, many of these jobs let you work from home or from anywhere in the world. Wow, we have learned a lot today, haven't we? Whether you are a student, a beginner, or just curious, now is the perfect time to learn cloud computing. You don't need to be a computer genius, you just need curiosity, internet, and the will to learn. So what are you waiting for? Start learning and you could be building the next big thing from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech explainers.